Look at that! Oh my god! This is awesome! Oh my god!
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our life tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a moon, my love. You when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quality.
Thanks for joining me on another adventure. We're heading out to Silverfalls. It's just outside of Salem. Maybe like an hour and a half drive. Not too bad, not clear out in the boondocks this time, but we are going to hit a state park. It's supposed to be beautiful. 10 waterfalls, 7 miles, taking you guys along, and we may do a little bike ride. So.
Killing time, we got nowhere to be. You're sending messages I can't ignore. You're contemplating coming close to me. I'm bored at home, can't leave the house no more. But I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like I'm living my life. You when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quality, it hasn't got the right to give us a vibe. You when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quality, it hasn't got the right to give us a vibe.
Hello, how are you? Anyways, I made it to the campsite. As you can see, number 18, it's reserved for me. We're in Silverfalls State Park right now, and it took us a little reservation to get this, but I normally stay off grid, but this time we're staying in a park because we're going to be hiking the 10 falls. I just want to show you my camp real quick. We had to park the truck at an angle so I could access the kitchen from the back side. I know it looks a little awkward, but I think I can make anything work. I loaded the bike. We're going to do a little riding. And of course my screen porch is all set up. We got power, as you can see. So I think I'm going to run a fan tonight because we are at 91 degrees right now. It is fairly warm. So here's my little setup. Good morning, you guys. I just want to share something really quick. The solar just kicked on. I saw the light turn on. So the panel is officially bringing in energy and charging up that second battery once again. The fridge took hardly anything, so we're just going to top it off with a little bit of sun. Anyways, hope you're having a great day. Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Anyways, we're at Silverfalls State Park, getting ready to hike today. The truck's all packed up. Goodbye, Lulu. And we're heading on the trail. So good to have you this morning. Let's go check on some waterfalls, shall we? hike today. Supposed to be really warm, like 100 degrees, so we're trying to get our hike in early this morning and catch a few waterfalls. Look at that! Oh my god! This is awesome! Oh my god! Right in front of Double Falls. That's one of the falls on our trip. Spectacular through here. What a good day. thank you for joining me. We are coming to the end of the trail. I have 10 miles with all the filming. I'm sure it's a lot less, but we ran around with the cameras, or I ran around. Anyways, I want to thank you for joining me. Silverfalls, checking that off the list. Whew, that was some waterfalls. Peace out.